Ferrari SF90 Stradale, like the LaFerrari, is a hybrid. But unlike its predecessor, the SF90 packs a smaller gasoline engine, plug-in charging capabilities, all-wheel drive, and yes, even more horses. With a whopping 986 horsepower, the SF90 is the most powerful road-going Ferrari ever produced. The turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 produces 769 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. On its own, that makes it the most powerful V8 powered Ferrari to date. Ferrari then packs 3 lithium-ion powered electric motors, one located on the rear axle and 2 located up front in the SF90 Stradale, which produces an additional 217 horsepower, bringing the complete powertrain's total output to 986 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. All the power is paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and for the first time on a Ferrari sports car, all-wheel drive. That allows the SF90 Stradale to sprint to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, 125 miles per hour in a mere 6.7 seconds, and on to a top speed of 211 miles per hour. But it's more than just ridiculously quick in straight line. The SF90 offers a pure electric driving mode with a range of 16 miles. For all its advanced tech, the SF90 Stradale tips the scales at 3,461 pounds. That's roughly 30 pounds lighter than the LaFerrari. The chassis, meanwhile, is 20% stiffer and 40% more torsionally rigid than previous performance platforms, all without adding any unnecessary weight. The new Ferrari SF90 Stradale sounds like a technological marvel. Price and availability details are still under wraps, but expect the Hyper Hybrid to go on sale sometime this year.